Hello everyone, myself Tanem. Me and my partner Joshua are today going to help you visualize the concept of tone generator. So the main component used in tone generator circuit is the IC555 timer. So let us first know about IC555 timer. So IC in IC555 timer stands for integrated circuits and 555 because there are three 5k ohm resistor connected in series inside the IC555 which act as voltage divider, hence 555. So IC555 timer. It is a widely used integrated circuit used as pulse generation and oscillator in various applications. Its unique feature is that it can be used to provide time delays as an oscillator as well as a flip-flop element. Okay, a quick fact about IC555. Do you know in the year 2003 it was estimated that 1 billion units of IC555 are generated every year. So now let us take a quick look at the block diagram of IC555. So here we have a block diagram of IC555. IC555 has total 8 terminals in it. That means it has 8 pins which can be connected in the breadboard. So the numbering of the 8 pins goes like this. If we keep the small hole on left hand side, the numbering goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first terminal is for ground, the second for trigger, the third for output, fourth for reset, fifth for control voltage, sixth for threshold, seventh for discharge, and 8 for power supply, which is also known as plus VCC. Now let us have a look on circuit diagram using IC555 timer wired in astable mode. This will be further used in tone generator circuit, which is nothing but a simple extension of astable mode. So here we have a complete circuit diagram for IC555 connected in astable mode.
The components required for the circuit are one 10K potentiometer, one 0.01 microfarad capacitor, a 0.47 microfarad capacitor, 7 1000 ohm resistors, one IC555 timer, some jumper wires, a CRO, a multimeter, and a few connecting wires for the circuit. Once the circuit is complete, we maintain 6 volts across the entire circuit and keep on increasing the resistance to the potentiometer that it provides. We notice that as we increase the resistance to the potentiometer, the time period of the wave also increases. Once the potentiometer has reached its maximum resistance, we add 1000 ohm resistors in series and keep on increasing the resistance. By measuring half wavelength of the wave using the boxes on the CRO screen and converting it using the knob of the CRO, we can find the time period of the wave and hence find the relative frequency. Therefore, as an extension of the astable mode of the IC555 timer, we create a tone generator circuit whose frequency can be increased or decreased by increasing or decreasing the resistance respectively.